hearing the noises while we're, introducing ourselves, and I'm like, I thought it wasn't going to go until 6:30. Right? Wouldn't you think that? It says 6:30?
Yeah.
That it means 6:30. And there's the Haba Bridge. And the shuffleboard floats. And the thermometer. No, that's not a thermometer, that's a scoreboard. I thought it was the thermometer.
That would be for the Alaska cruise at those temperatures.
Yeah, like, I was thinking, like, it's gotta be hotter than that. Oh my God. I came up here for the musk fishing. There was nobody, no crew out here.
Yeah.
See?
You might have missed it. I think it was until 4:30.
Oh, there, stop for gas. The captain said we'd back down. Are we just backing out on our own power? No tugboats? I guess so.
Is it
back?
that tugboat?
I don't see any tugboats.
Yeah, I think it's probably the main.
Doncaster. And
Yeah.
the screws.